Hi. So guys, welcome to another episode, and in this video I'm gonna show you how my family members are gonna react to this gift that I have today morning. I almost forgot that I have this for them.
This is me. I am currently holding in my hand a bag full of clothes. I am about to give them to my favorite village friends. I don't have much to give. However, I hope they appreciate the little I have brought. Let's see their reaction.
So I have something here. Where is it? You tell us the size of this, like this. Medium to brave. This is a sweatpant. Okay? Just a good logo. Able check it out whether it's your size. Okay, we have this cape over here. Let's see. Kama yatosha mrembo. Vibita vidide. Fanya hivi. Yeah. Yo. Okay, we have this white shirt. Hapa basi nkufua hapa.
White shirt ndio.
Mtu mkubwa hii.
Mkubwa mimi tayari.
Mama anasema mtu mkubwa. Huyo. Guys. A white shirt for her, okay? Plus it has a good logo over here, so yeah.
Na kibeli chake mtu mkubwa.
We have this one too. It's chika mama ndio yatosha ba. Hiyo ndio yatosha.
Huyu ni ambaye.
This is for my mommy. Thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. Then we have this shirt. We have this pink shirt. We have this shirt, okay? Let me put it on to you. For Mariamu. But una nyingi zitakuja. Mshukishe mrembo kuja hapa.
Unakosa uhondo kwa sababu hapo.
Yeah. So guys, this is the pit. This is the pit. Then we have this bag. It's also a giveaway. This bag.
No bag ni pani mimi.
Pe mama. Mimi nataka nikuone hapa.
Nyata.
Aya. This is for my auntie.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah. And baby girl, nakuja na zingine zako. Sawa? Usiwe na wasiwasi. Sawa mama?
Usiwe na wasiwasi mama.
Kuna nyingi zinakuja. So guys, in this episode, it was only about giveaways and family comes first. Family is the best, and I love my family members. And my family members, what can you tell the people who are watching our videos?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, you say subscribe to our channel. Say subscribe. Maria, I want you to say subscribe. Subscribe. Bye. Itamtosha kaka? Kwanza venye liko white hilo. Basi ni usafi. Lakini nakuaminia, unajua wewe mwenyewe wavaa majalibabu ya white. Yafua huyo? Au sio?